What you doing now? Well, now we're camping at Hammock's Beach State Park in Swansburg, North Carolina. Along with camping there are other islands: Higgins Island, Bear Island, just to name a few. So it's really turned out to be a great camping adventure here, and lots of places to go and things to see. Check it out. Morning, morning, morning. Nice Halloween morning down here at Hammock Beach State Park. Yes. Everyone's out and seem to be enjoying eating their breakfast outside and walking around and everything. I must say, this is one of the cleanest and nicest state parks I've been to in the state of North Carolina. This is the North Carolina State Park down in Swansburg, North Carolina, and it is absolutely clean. I mean, the bathhouse and just the streets and the sights, and just look at it. Everything is just clean. It's gorgeous. All right, I'm back again. Hammock Beach State Park, Swansboro, North Carolina. And this is like your beachfront here. You see the beautiful houses over there. Maybe one day, just not today. And lot of nice greenery and stuff that's around. So I'm sure you see nature. Campsites are very well. The sites are very nice. You have the gravel here. You have a fire pit. You have a table. Now the campsites that are close to the water down here, they do have water. They do not have power, and they do not have sewer. So it's not a full hookup, but you do have your water. And as you can see, these sites are empty. But now, up top there's the bathhouse, and there is the campsites that have full hookups. So just be careful whenever you book to make sure that you ask for full hookups. And the cabins are over there to your right. Now, right here, there seems to be a trail that's between campsite 32. And as you can see, there's the arrow saying go. Right here at campsite 32. I'm just gonna walk a little bit back here, see what we can find. Today is October the 29th, 2025, and we had rain off and on all day yesterday, and I think we're gonna have the same thing again today, so that's why you see the wet. And as you can see, it's a lot of nature back in here, and the trail goes on. Nice. And water view between the trees. All right, coming back out from this trail, you come back out. Like I said, campsite 32 will be to your right. I'm not sure, maybe that's 31 there, right here, but you come back out here. And of course, a parking is permitted right here. And you have your water view over there. And of course, the cabins are right there to your right. The bathhouse is there. And then you have your campsites. And here you have water, so I don't see a sign. It says no parking on grass. I don't see a sign, but I see picnic tables over here, so I guess this is for people that just want to come out for a nice day, bring the family out for a nice time out. This is the area at Hammock Beach State Park. You can come out and enjoy. Nice, calm, beautiful water here. And they have picnic tables over here. Like I said, I think this area is just for to come and spend a day. It says keep off living shoreline. Oh, okay. This is a spot here. Hammock Beach. Hammock. Okay, and this is where you can go right on down and get into the water. Wow, now isn't this beautiful? I'm not sure what that concrete is there for, but hey, it serves a purpose. Nice view of the entire, well, waterfront view, I should say. Looks like it's high tide at this time. Water is coming up a little bit. Beautiful sight, beautiful evening, beautiful view. Beautiful home there. Okay, there are the cabins here. And then you go right to the full hookup campsites. This area. And we're to the back of the bathhouse. Camp host is straight ahead back there in that C-class. And also the entrance into the park is that way. Okay. These are the cabins. I wish there was a way I could get inside one to show the inside, but I doubt it. I haven't seen a car here, so. Look at that trout cabin, mullet cabin, flounder cabin. I think the other one is red something cabin, but here they are. This is the driveway up to them. Oh, they're nice. They seem like it's fairly new. Fairly new. And, okay. I don't think you all can see, but I can see a little bit, like a small kitchen and a bedroom area. So, pretty nice. And you have 2 chairs, fire ring, picnic table. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, there's the bed. And, okay, awesome. And they're named after fish: trout, mullet, flounder. And there are 4 of them. So, hey, nice little getaway. And look like you get a key fob, or either you get a code for in and out purposes. And there's the bathhouse. Okay, we're gonna take a walk up here to the bathhouse very quickly. men to the right, and I'm assuming women to the left, and family in the middle. Right here. Water fountain, also can fill up on water there. Okay, I'm gonna peep in real quick. I hope I don't catch anyone in a bad situation. Oh wow, isn't that gorgeous? Yes. Wow, wow, wow. Nice, nice, nice. Nice, 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 nice. That's the women's. And here's family. Well, now it's dinner time and time to relax and sit back. This was just a teaser of the park. Hopefully, the next visit I can show you more and maybe we'll do more. But for now, I hope you did enjoy it and I hope you did get a little taste of what it's all about here at Hammock Beach State Park in Swansburg, North Carolina. Hope you enjoy. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Have an awesome day.